Today we're going to talk to you about how to adjust the temperature of your refrigerator based on different environmental conditions. But today we're going to talk to you about if you want to adjust your temperature so that your beverages are as cold as you want them to be and your ice cream is as firm as you want it to be. And we're going to show you how to adjust the temperature of your refrigerator right now. Now before we get started, be sure to check your use and care guide because different control panels vary from one refrigerator to the next. Now if you look here, this is factory settings. We're right in the middle. We have 3 dots on this side, which is the freezer, and 3 dots on the refrigerator side. To adjust the temperature, you just touch the temperature button. Here it is. Freezer is now as far over as it can go, as cold as it can go. And the fridge temperature is also now as far over as it can go, which means the freezer compartment is as cold as it can be and the refrigerator is as cold as it can be. Once you've set your temperature, wait 24 hours and make sure that the temperature in the compartments is set the way you want it to be.